All right, in this video we are going to talk about the sum to product and product to sum formulas. All right, so first we're going to start with the product to sum formulas. So the reason why they call it the product to sum formulas is because if you look over here on the left-hand side of all of these identities, you can see that it is a product of two trig functions. In other words, the multiplication, right, of two trig functions. Sine x times cosine y, cosine x times sine y, sine x times sine y, cosine x times cosine y. So these are products, and then over on the right-hand side of all of these identities, they are rewritten as a sum or difference, which you can rewrite as a sum as well. Okay, so in other words, these are adding. So I have sine x plus y plus sine of x minus y. Okay, and here two sines are being subtracted. Here two cosines are being subtracted. Here two cosines are being added together. One of the things that you want to do in certain cases is to rewrite a product as a sum. Okay, and that's what these are good for. So it's a little bit hard to get into exactly the situations where you might want to do that, but there are certainly plenty of those in math where you would want to take the product of two trig functions and rewrite them as a sum. Okay, so that's the product to sum, and then essentially the sum to product are just kind of the reverse of those. Here I have a bunch of sums over on the left-hand side of these identities, right? I'm adding or subtracting two trig functions. And then this shows you how to rewrite that sum as a product. All of the expressions over here are on products, right, of two trigonometric functions. And so, like I said, this allows you to go the opposite direction where you might want to rewrite a sum as a product. Again, it's a little bit difficult to get into the specifics of why you would want to do that, but it is a useful thing in certain scenarios. All right, so I am going to just end this video here, and then in the next couple of videos we will give some examples of how to use these identities.